Welcome, today I am with brand new Motorola Moto E7i Power, and today I'll show you how we can apply tempered glass on display in this smartphone. So first of all, we need two essential things: quiet place that no one or anything can distract us, and also the good lighting condition to see very fingerprints and greasy marks that we have on our display, like in my case, as you can see. The next option, the next thing, we have to open the wipes that we can find in the box of our tempered glass. And then first we can use the wet one to obviously remove that greasy marks and fingerprints. If this wet wipe is dry, because it sometimes happens, you have to use something like the window cleaner and soak this wipe with this cleaner. After that, you will be able to easily remove all of this stuff from the screen. So make simple moves in the circle to reach every corner and edge. Take a look, after a few moves we easily get rid of all of this stuff. Next we have to open the dry wipe, and we have to do the same. Make moves in the circle and dry all of these wet marks. Okay, and as you can see, we finally clean our screen, but as you can see, it not look good. We got one big the greasy mark on the screen. So if you have the same problem, you can use additional wipe or paper towel, wherever you have it around you, and take a look. We have to just swipe like that. Let me just make it like that. Okay, right now it looks definitely better. But let's make last moves and take a look. Right now this display is in a really good condition. Oh, we can clean also this right upper corner and the left upper corner, and then drag to the bottom all of this piece of the dust. So right now, as I said before, we have to be sure that there's no any dust on the screen, because when you apply here glass, we will get air bubbles. So I can find here the two pieces of the dust right here, so I'm going to remove them with my wipe. So we have to drag for one direction. Okay, and right now we have to grab our tempered glass and remove this sticker. Keep holding the bottom part. Remember to apply glass evenly on the both edges. You can turn on the screen. As you can see, I have to move my glass a little bit to the left side. Right now it looks fine. So put the bottom part. And there it is. Take a look right now. We can press in the middle with our finger and it goes automatically. If you got this kind of the bubbles, you can easily remove them with your fingernail. So just press and it disappears. We can find also a few marks, few glue marks, so to remove them we have to use this wipe. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, it's this one. And we have to press hard on our glass to remove all of these glue marks. Okay, and take a look. Right now everything is fine. We can turn on our screen and there it is. That's how we can apply tempered glass on Motorola Moto E7i Power. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.